Today's video of mod reviews revamped is going to be a lot shorter. There is a video on Chisel in the works. I just have to build the whole thing first. Roll intro card. So for showcase purposes, this is without the mod installed currently. In other words, vanilla. Mainly because it's a UI based mod that doesn't have the ability to just disable it. So basically, today's video is going to be on this screen. / the mod called Better Statistics menu. Basically, it redoes this entire menu into something that's a lot more readable, instead of it just being a list with a value. So for reference, this is vanilla's. Times mind, you can sort by it. And then the mob screen is basically just this. Nothing special about it. Now, let me go transition over to the modded statistics screen. Okay, now let's get into the modded statistics menu. By default, it looks something like this. And yes, it has sound effects. It also only lists the items that apply to you, not every single item. And it is also in form of key and then value in a nice way. And then you can click on it for a description, or you can just hover over it. You can also you can also enable the empty stats if you wanted to. With that, you can change what is shown. For example, you can have mod only statistics, all statistics, and the default, which is just Minecraft, I think, with mods. Then you can also change how it's sorted. A to Z, Z to A, 0 to 9, 9 to 0, for example. You can also change the interval for time. Not sure what the W is, maybe months. Then you can also have hour, minute, second, millisecond. I'm gonna set this back to second. And you can also change the unit of measure. I'm gonna keep it at meters. You can also find the people who made the mod here with the credits button. You can also open or save statistics. I believe that's how that works. Not sure, I haven't played around with this, but you can also view, which is seemingly the same thing as this, but oh, alright then. So I didn't have to do that. Oh well. Not sure what the statistics hub is. It's probably a way to see statistics of all players or something. I'm not sure. general, that's basically the filters, okay. So, this is the general stuff, this is the item screen. You can, I believe, probably change the page based on mods or something. And it's at the top and bottom. Then it also shows you how many times you mined something, corrupted, used, broken, picked up, dropped, when you click on the item. And then also shows overall here. And then the mobs look something like this. It shows you overall kills, overall died to. And then when you hover over it, it also shows the statistics of that specific item. And you can actually click it to do that. You also got the food and drinks, which I believe is not in the vanilla system. Shows you how many times you've mined, used, picked up, crafted, broken, dropped, etc. here. Basically items menu, but for the food specifically. Then there's also a screen for specifically your hostile mobs. I don't know why there's two labeled as creaking in here. Maybe because I'm on 1.21.3 with fabric. But basically the same thing. And then you also have the options here. For example, the debug mode. You can also enable whether GUI should have a smooth scroll, which is going to be described there. It's annoying that it's not hover based, but I can't really do much about that. You can also toggle whether the GUI mob should follow your cursor or not. I don't know why that one doesn't have a description. Oh. Okay, so they do just when the option's clicked, it does the thing. You can also auto toggle better stats network. This is probably what the hub is for. Yeah, I believe so. You can also toggle whether you want your stats shared with other players, I believe, or third-party servers. You can also make this a wide panel. I'll show it once I'm done. You can also make toggle whether the screen should be centered or not. I prefer centered to be on. You can also toggle whether the server should register commands and whether stats should be announced. And I did not. Here's the wide version of the screen. I prefer non-wide. Then you can also find the about stuff, which is your source code, bugs, Curseforge page, mod rent page, the dev page probably, and the YouTube page, as well as the credits here. And then stats sharing, I needs here. I haven't used this one either, but seems like it's similar to the basic stuff. And this is the TOS privacy policy that you have to agree before you can share it. And then same server player search, basically just search for a player in your server, seemingly. And then this is for quick sharing. And then this is probably for looking at someone else's quick share code, which is basically sharing to other players your statistics and back and forth. Probably something like that. I'm not entirely sure. Then credits page looks like this. I waited till the end just in case this led to some other link. But these are all the contributors behind the mod, and then special thanks stuff. then that would appear to be it. So I will see you next time I make a mod review. And one of the next times should be a massive chisel video. We'll see how that goes. Anyways, roll outro card.